Oh, hey. So, I guess 8 months and a coronavirus lockdown later, figured it was probably time for a quick update on the Mini. Last time we left off, we just installed the CTS intake kit for the R56 Mini Cooper S. Varying degrees of success. I've seen that video, it was kind of quite a bit of fiddling to get the thing in there, nothing quite fit properly. There are different variations of motor that came in the R56. It gets kind of confusing as to which is which. Long story short, the kit that we had was obviously not designed for this engine, so it was kind of a hodgepodge to get it to fit, but we did. Sounded good. Never quite happy with it though, just was kind of not quite right, and there were some things that I thought were probably going to cause issues down the road. So that brings us to this update, and you can see this is a new intake kit. This is the Engineering intake kit. Took a bit of searching to find sort of a replacement or a good variation on that CTS intake, and this seemed to be sort of the best of the lot. And I gotta say, it was a lot easier to install. Literally bolted up, everything fits, designed must be for this engine. You know, 15-minute install. I don't think it has quite the thought that went into the CTS. Like, there's no shroud to protect the element from the runners at the back. So there's no real heat shield protection going on. So I think in the future probably find something to add to that. But the rest of it, I mean, the mandrel bent aluminium, the intake pipe, it's great. The silicon couplers, they're branded, they fit, they're the right shape. Everything goes where it's supposed to. Real nice intake, sounds great. So there we have it, Engineering intake on the R56 Mini Cooper S. Would recommend.